Right everyone, I'm going to share with you now, this is for the members only of course, so hello members, and this is the paid members from YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to do this one first. But like I say, these are the ones that I've been making. They look really pretty in your flowers, you know, and you can do them using any beads. So we're just going to pop those down. We're going to do this one. You only need to be shown once and how I do them, and then you can actually go ahead and do them as well. They are really simple, a lot simpler than what you they look, let's put it that way. Now I just need to get a couple of beads out, so I'm going to use these brass beads, or copper beads should I say, sorry. Just need a couple of those. One larger bead, which is that one. And then I need 5 small beads. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. Needle and thread. Clean my needle off. Right, you need to double thread your needle. Take hold of the first bead, so using a white pearl. Now these, you don't have to use white pearl, you can use any bead, but you do need a central bead for the pin. Pull it down to the bottom and then split the cotton open and do that. So you're just attaching your bead to the cotton and it won't come off. And then what you do is you thread one of these on, little bead. Now the amount of beads you use all depends on the size of your pin head. Okay, so I'm going to do it, sorry about that, another one of those pearls and then another one. I was gonna, where's it gone? In my lap. Yep, got it, didn't fall on the floor. So do that, then we put the larger bead on, which is a central bead here, 2 smaller beads, and then we're going to pop on the copper bead. So you've got that. Now here's my pin head. Yeah, that'll fit, it'll fit round there. So what I have to do now is to go back through the first bead. Just go back through that and you're making that little loop which will fit perfectly around there. So how am I going to put that on there? Easy. You take your pin and through the first bead you ever did, what you've just gone back through, you pop on the pin head and then you pull and you end up with that. But it'll still drop if you let go, it'll still drop like that. So what we have to do is to glue it to the deck. So you need a non-stick mat. Do like a teardrop, and you need it big enough to, well, it will spread when you pop it on the deck. So hold that tight like that and then pop that on the deck and push down and it will spread. And any loose, any glue that you see around the edge, leave that until it's dried. Once it's dried, you can then peel that off with your nail, or you can use some little snippers of some sort, but we just let that dry. Now if it doesn't cover it completely like that, that's not quite completely covered that bead, you just take your glue on the back, pop that back down onto the deck. Once that's dry, it's not going to come off at all, it's not going to come off. And then don't cut this off, because you need this to go back through the as many as you can, and then you snip it off and then you can start another one. But they do look really pretty using little crystals and that. And see, that pin needs to be bent a little bit. I like that one. I like the plain pearl ones. Now regarding the cotton, if you use the cotton that's the colour of your beads, you won't need to colour it, but you can go afterwards, like there's a little bit of white there. I'm not bothered about that. But on some of them, like this one, I can get the felt tip pen out and just go over it, over the cotton, get it to match. Just colour the little bits in the end, in between. But yeah, I loved them. I've never seen it done, ever. So if this is a first, I'm glad to bring it to the table. See that a little bit there? You just peel that bit off. That's fine. Yeah, I like those. That will be dry now. That will be dry as well. Yeah, that's done. Look, a little bit of glue. You just peel that bit off in between. That's it. Another one done. This one will be dry now. And I'm just going to peel off the excess glue. That's it. So, take your needle and thread and go back through the first bead. And you might be able to get through the second one as well. Just take that bit of glue off there. If I can see the bead. Yeah, that's why my needle's bent. Go through that one. That's it. And go through those two. And I wouldn't go through any more, and then just snip that. And it's just for protection, that's all. We'll just do that again. And there you go. A nice little stick pin, which you can then colour coordinate with your flowers. So I'm going to do one more. Let's just have a look, see what we have. Look, what have we got? Oops. We've got some small beads here. So some creamy ones. There we go, some tiny ones as well. Right, we're just going to use these small ones. So again, split the thread, that's why we double knot it. I'm going to do maybe 4. I'm not sure how many we'll need. We might have to take some off or add some more on. So let's just have a look. We can gauge it. That's going to be from there to there. We're only going to need 4 on each side, and I'm going to use, what have we got? A crystal, I think. Have we got a red one? I don't really have a red, I don't think, do I? No, this'll do though. Put a little crystal on it. And then do 4 of these again. That should be enough. Ah, wait. Just thought we need 1 extra bead, which is what goes through. There we go. Sorry, I forgot. We need 1 extra bead. Then it'll even it up both sides. Like I say. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got that. Go back through the first bead. And that gives you that. Just move that out of the way. There's a little bead there and a little bead there. We're just going to check about this and put that on there. That's fine. That's fine. I mean, you can colour these as well, so I'll show you that in a minute. Sorry, my glue gun's playing up. Let's get this off again. That should do anyway. So what I'm going to do is to pop that on there. Oh, I didn't put the pin in, sorry. That's it, get in there, mate. Oh, push that in. Not a problem, see? At all. If you make that mistake like I've just done, pull that so it pulls the beads in. And then once that's, oops, done, take off the excess. Check the back. Make sure it's all covered. I'm just going to recover this little bit here. And that bit there, because I did make, that was me making that mistake. But it's good that I share with the mistakes as well. Just leave that to set. Like that. Now, while it's on the deck, if you want to do the colouring, I just want to do something with that. Let's see. Something you can actually see. Oh, I might do it a purpley one. Let's just... No, wrong colour. I'm just going to take a marker. Oops. Where's my cap gone? My cap's fallen off. I don't want to do that, we'll spoil it. Right, so I'm just taking the marker. And then you can colour the pearl. So there's lots of different things you can do. I might finish that off when it's... I'm taking it back off here. That's it. Take that little bit off from there. Yeah. I need to get this done before it runs out, because I can't edit or add to my videos. So I'm just going up the side of those. Back through the top one. And then back down through those. And then trim that off. Like I say, it's just purely for added safety. So take my Pro marker again. It's not very dark, but I do want it to match the crystal. So that's that. Let's have a look. Let me just see if I can do this one as well. Ooh. Oh, that's different, isn't it? Why is that not colour? Oh, there it is. Oh, I like those. Now they look a lot better. Right, I need a blue. Let me get a nice blue for this one. Love these Pro markers. Oh, that's a nice colour. Complements it. Yes, I definitely like that. Look like little jewels. Right, let's see. I've got another one here. Oh, sorry, that's going in the wrong one. That one. Let's have a look at... I'm going to try and just do this one as a yellow. It might not work, but it might. I just want that little bit of coloration like a gold. Yeah, that'll do. It's better than it being white. And it complements the others. Oh, I do like that. I'm going to have to do this one now. Just slightly shading it. but it gives them a whole new look. So let's have a look. What else have we got? What can we do with the coppery one? Have a look at this one. This is the one I'm after. Not really a good colour. It's a dark, light colour, that. Hang on. Do you know what I'm going to do? Oh, not that one. I'm going to do a green one. I'm only doing it just to see what they turn out like. I can always wash this off with some alcohol ink. Oh no, I like that. Yeah, I like that colour. Nice. But they do look like little gems. Just going to get a ready pink one if I can. Let's have a look at this one, just for this particular one. Pale pink. Let me just see if I can darken that maybe a little bit. Not much, but it's alright. I like that. So, like I say, you can do all sorts with them. Using lots of different threads, beads. And play around and make your own. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.